Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Battery above 10% and any open work saved, because toggling network can interrupt transfers. Now, open Quick Settings or the Control Center. On phones, swipe down. On laptops, use System menu and find the airplane icon. Tap it once to enable flight mode. You'll see an airplane symbol in the status bar. This immediate action cuts all radio transmissions. It's fast and reversible, so you can continue with the next configuration steps. Once flight mode is on, decide which radios you need. Airlines often allow Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so go into settings and re-enable those individually. You do this because flight mode blocks everything by default, and selective reactivation prevents unnecessary transmissions. Make sure GPS or location services are set according to the rules or app needs. Some devices let location run without cellular. After adjusting, return to the status screen and verify each radio's state, so your device behaves exactly as you expect during the flight. To finish, confirm the airplane icon remains visible and that any radios you allowed, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, show their active icons, which proves permissions took effect. Then test connectivity. Load a cached page or use an app that relies on the permitted radio to ensure functionality. If something goes wrong, first toggle flight mode off and on once. That resets radios. If the problem persists, reboot the device. This clears drivers and often resolves lingering radio conflict.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.